Hello and welcome to the third video of the Python course. Today we will talk about commands and operators. Python commands can be used to explain Python code and to make it more readable. Python commands can also be used to prevent execution when testing an alternative code. There are two types of commands. The first one is single-line commands. Single-line commands start with the dashboard mark. Any text between the dashboard and the end of the line will be ignored by Python. For an example, this is a single-line command example. If we will try to run this program, we're going to see that nothing has happened. The second type is multi-line commands. Multi-line commands start with the 3 quotation marks and it ends with these 3 quotation marks. Any text between those quotation marks will be ignored. For an example, this is a multi-line command example. Again, if we're going to run this program, we will see that nothing has happened. Python knows to ignore commands. Using commands to prevent execution of code are suitable for code testing. Adding dashboard in front of a code line changes the code lines from an executable line to a command. For example, let's say we define a variable named num to 31 and we want to print num. If we'll run the program, we will see that num is represented. However, if we will add a dashboard in the line of the print num, we will see that nothing has happened. Why? Because now this line is a comment. Okay, now we're going to talk about operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform between variables and or values. The most common operators are the landed in the comments, the addition, the subtraction, the multiplication, the division, the modulo, the increment, decrement. Okay, let's talk about each operator. The addition operator adds a value. For example, let's create a variable named x with the value of 5 and a variable named y with the value of 10. Let's print the sum of x and y by using the addition operator. As you can see, 15 is represented. Why? Because 5 plus 10 is 15. The subtraction operator subtracts a value. Let's change the addition operator to the subtraction. Run the program again. We will see that minus 5 is represented. 5 minus 10 is minus 5. The multiplication operator multiplies a value. Run the program again and 50 is represented. The division operator divides a value. Run the program again and we will see that 0 is represented. Why? Because Python rounds us the total value. The modular operator returns division remainder. Let's change that to the modular. Run the program again and 5 is now represented. The next operators are the increment and the decrement operators. The increment operator increments a value. while the decrement operator decrements a value. However, we will cover the increment and decrement operators in the loops section. Okay, there are different types of operators, which are assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign values to Python variables. Let's see those operators. We have the assignment, the addition, the subtraction, the multiplication, the division, and the modulo. For example, let's create again a variable named x with the value of 10 and a variable named y with the value of 2. Say x is y, and now let's print x. Let's run the program and we will see that 12 is represented. Why? Because 10 plus 2 is 12. Let's change the addition to the minus, the subtraction, and now we will see that the total value is 8. Again, for the multiplication, 20. For the division, and for the modulo. Great! In the next lesson, we're going to talk about data structures and different data types. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to like this video and subscribe.